How to get rid of underarm odor naturally. What can you do to prevent underarm odor from developing in the first place? Showering daily with soap, as well as showering after strenuous activity, gets rid of the bacteria and sweat that cause odors. Wearing loose-fitting, breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, and moisture-wicking blends, especially if you sweat a lot, can also help. These will allow your body to stay cooler longer than clothes made from non-breathable fabrics. Antiperspirants can also help to reduce the amount of sweat produced by temporarily blocking the pores that release sweat. The less sweat that comes from your skin, the less odor that will result. Deodorants can stop sweat from smelling but won't stop sweat itself. Usually these products are alcohol-based, turning your skin acidic, which inhibits bacteria from forming. The apocrine glands located in the underarms interact with the skin bacteria, resulting in smelly armpits. Underarm odor can also be influenced by age, diet, personal hygiene, and sometimes genetics. There are many natural ingredients which you can use to make your body odor go away. Like the following: witch hazel. Most commercial witch hazel extracts also include rubbing alcohol, which helps to fight odor-causing bacteria. Witch hazel is also a natural astringent, which means it contracts your skin's tissues and reduces the production of sweat. Douse a cotton ball with witch hazel, then rub it on your underarms after showering or bathing. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties which can kill bacteria. If you have sensitive skin, aloe vera is a great alternative for deodorant. Cut an aloe vera leaf and extract its gel. Apply it directly to your armpits before going to bed. Wash it off in the morning. Baking soda. Baking soda dries up moisture and creates an uninhabitable environment for bacteria to grow. With baking soda's antibacterial properties, it can keep your armpits fresh for many hours. Create a paste with lemon juice and baking soda. Apply this paste directly to your underarms, leave it on for 5 to 6 minutes. Rinse it off with lukewarm water. Essential oils. Lavender, pine and peppermint all fight bacteria, leaving a pleasant smell. But since some people have a skin reaction to certain oils, test your underarm area or a small patch of skin before using. Apple cider vinegar. Known for its acidic nature, apple cider vinegar is rich in antimicrobial properties which can destroy bacteria. Add a little water to 4 to 5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a small bowl. Apply this mixture directly to your armpits. Wash off after 5 minutes. Using apple cider vinegar regularly can help prevent bacteria from accumulating in your armpits. Lemon juice. Because lemon juice is very acidic, it can reduce the pH of the skin, making it impossible for bacteria to grow. Take half a lemon and rub it directly on your armpits. Repeat this once daily until you notice an improvement in your armpit odor. If you have sensitive skin, mix the juice of half a lemon with half a cup of water to dilute it. To avoid any burning or irritation, only apply to clean, dry skin. Never use it right after shaving or if you have any nicks or broken skin. Tea tree oil. Do you know tea tree oil is a natural antiseptic that can kill odor-causing bacteria by reducing the pH levels of the skin? Tea tree oil acts as a natural antiseptic and astringent. It's so powerful that it must be diluted with water or else it may cause a reaction to your skin. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to avoid tea tree altogether. Dilute 2 drops of tea tree oil to 2 tablespoons water. You can use this as an oil toner spray on your face, underarms, chest, back of the neck, or anywhere else that might be in need of some sweat relief. Garlic. Garlic is highly rich in antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Use garlic in your daily diet, or if you don't like the taste, then try garlic supplements. Diet. Did you know that certain foods can intensify armpit odor? If you're prone to bad body odor, try to stay away from these foods for a few days. Cruciferous vegetables. Broccoli, cabbage, Brussels sprouts and cauliflower contain sulfur, which your body absorbs and secretes through your sweat. Eating these veggies can impact your body odor for up to 1 to 6 hours. Red meat. Meat can be harder to digest than other foods, so your body has to work hard to process it. The amino acids in red meat leave a residue in your intestines. Your intestinal enzymes break down the residue during digestion, which mixes with bacteria on your skin and can intensify your body odor. Fish. Fish like tuna and salmon contain choline, a type of B vitamin that produces a pungent fishy smell. Some people who eat fish can secrete choline in the sweat for up to a day. When to see a doctor. If you've tried deodorants, antiperspirants and natural treatments and nothing seems to help in reducing your underarm odor, talk with your doctor. There may be an underlying medical condition. Your doctor may recommend stronger treatments.